Hi guys, welcome to Mionaka channel. Yeah, today's episode is quite special because we are going to show you about Buddhist culture in Thailand. We are going to Nan province in northern part of Thailand. Now my dad and me are going to pick ants up at their places. Come with me guys. These are called เหรียญโปรยทาน We are going to make it today. Okay, let's get started. First we have to use the green one for the leaves. Then purple. What's next? Pink? Yeah. Okay, last one will be yellow. We are going to use 2 coins. And then float it. We are going to give them to the participants at the ceremony. Usually people will keep them after receiving. Some people believe if we keep them will enhance luck.
เก็บต้นคุมหน้า
Finish. Lotus. Double. With thong. Normally, their families will get started first. This step, the monks will take care of it. And then we will call them Naak. Now they are officially monks. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be informative. If you like it, please the like button. If you want to check more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.